In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new document in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're just getting started or setting up a quick project, this simple workflow will make sure your document is ready for the kind of work you plan to do. First, open Adobe Illustrator. Once the application is up and running, head to the top menu and choose File, then select New. This brings up the New Document dialog box, which is where you'll set the foundation for your project. You'll see several key options here: document size, units, orientation, and color mode. Each of these choices influences how your artwork fits its intended use, so it's worth a short pause to select them thoughtfully. Let's start with document size. If you're not sure what to pick, A4 is a safe, common standard that works well for many layouts. It's especially handy for documents you might print or share as a PDF. If your work is destined for screens, choose a size that matches your output, like a typical screen dimension or a template designed for social posts. The idea is to align the canvas with where the final design will live. Next, choose your units. Pixels are ideal for digital designs because they correspond directly to screen resolution. For anything that might be printed, posters, flyers, or packaging, millimeters or inches can make measurements and spacing more precise and predictable. Orientation comes next. Portrait orientation is taller than it is wide and works well for posters, flyers, and documents that read top to bottom. Landscape orientation is wider and is great for banners, slides, or designs that spread horizontally. Think about how your content will flow and pick the orientation that matches that direction. Then, set the color mode. RGB is best for anything viewed on screens, web graphics, app assets, and social content because it uses light-based colors for vibrant results. If you know your design will be printed professionally, CMYK is the print-focused mode that helps colors translate more predictably on paper. For this example, let's go with RGB to keep things ready for digital use. Once you've selected your settings, A4 size, RGB color, and portrait orientation, click Create. Illustrator will open your new document with the artboard sized and set exactly as you specified, so you're ready to start designing right away. If you ever realize a choice needs adjusting, don't worry, you can revisit your setup later. That's it, your new Illustrator document is ready to go.